Okay, what do you have here? Says hello, straightforward. Okay, let's do it. So, starting the sketch with front and pick our center line, make a straight line, straight horizontal line, back to the line tool again. Okay, so we're going to draw our profile. Okay, think using the revolve feature here. Okay, alright, done. Next, we take the dimensions. This to this is 6, that's 6 millimeter. In the middle to here, that should be 4. So this is the whole diameter, not just the radius. Okay, here to here should be what, 3. Yeah, it's 3. Okay, for more dimension, here to here is 2.250 inch. Here is 0.1.5. Here we have 4. Not supposed to be 1.5. Yeah, it's starting to look messy, alright? This is 4. Any more dimension left? Yeah, there should be a few more left. 6.5. This is 2. Okay, starting to make sense now. Yeah, to here is 0.75. I think that should be it. Yeah, that's it. Let's go ahead and revolve the sketch. Wow, just like that. Almost done. The ball feature is a really powerful feature. If you know where to apply it, you can solve problems just like that. Even if you're modeling a very complex part on assembly, ball feature comes in handy. Here we're going to sketch out holes. Continue the big circle first. It's a dimension. That's 5. Make it for construction. And draw a few more little circles around it. Okay, just the 2. Then make a circular pattern. Okay, let's dimension it first. This is 0.375. Then the other one is 0.201. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Okay, nice. Let's create a pattern to go around the circle. One, 6, 4, 6. Yeah, so let's make those holes extruded cut. Not all, just the inner one should cut through all and select the inner ones, inner circles. Three, 4, 5, and 6. Go back to your sketch again, extruded cut, countable, goes down 0.190. Yeah, there we have it. What's next? What's next? What's next? Yeah, that cut on the top part. Let's make a box or a rectangle. Then this, the dimension. Corner rectangle. Let's make a relation. The origin, the midpoint of the line, horizontal. What's your dimensions? That's 0.850. The other side is 0.525. Extruded cut. You do it both ways. Both ways. One side passes through all, then the other side doesn't pass through all. Passes by 1.250 millimeter. Let's put that 1.250 in second direction through all. Cool. Yeah, almost done. Let's add in the fillet and the chamfer. Fillet first. What's our fillet radius? 0.2. And chamfer. Chamfer radius is 0.075. Okay, I think that should be it. Yeah, like and subscribe for more like this. Thank you. See you on the next one.